Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐸 here. Welcome back to another video. I'm super excited to actually make this video today because I'm going to be talking about what is My Lead System Pro, also known as MLSP, how it can actually help you in your network marketing, MLM affiliate marketing business to actually grow your business. I'm going to break down exactly how it works for those who are looking for success in their online business and how it can help you do something. So I have here in front of you yesterday 275, today 200. And this is just passively, this is just one of my affiliate streams. And, you know, being able to do something like that, it comes down to really just having an understanding of the core fundamentals of what works. And, you know, full honesty and transparency, when I first came into this industry, before I got connected to some other people, I was being taught a lot of wrong things by gurus, by leaders in MLM companies teaching me wrong things to do. And it left me frustrated and honestly broke. Okay, so I'm going to talk about what My Lead System Pro is and how it's strategically designed to help you get more leads and sales in your and signups and money in your online business, because that's really what it's about. All right, so let's talk about the core concepts of My Lead System Pro and how you can actually leverage the system. Okay, how you can leverage the system to help you get more leads, customers, and sales in your business. Okay, so one thing to understand about My Lead System Pro is that My Lead System Pro is based on the core concept of attraction marketing. Now, I want to say this about attraction marketing. I used to always think that attraction marketing meant, oh, I think good things and it comes to me and people are just going to follow me and I'm going to put up stuff and they are going to be attracted to me. And that's not what attraction marketing is, my friend. So what attraction marketing is an actual strategy, right, that attracts customers and clients to you who already want what it is you have to offer. So let me give you an example, okay? You're watching this video, right? I am a video marketer. I love video marketing. It's one of the, if you're not doing video marketing in your business, I don't know what you're doing online, okay? So video marketing is one of the most effective ways to generate and convert leads in your business, okay? So I am a video marketer. I put out simple videos, okay? I am able, through my YouTube marketing, someone goes to YouTube, they type in some search terms, and boom, they happen upon my video. They attracted themselves to me, okay? Now, when they watch my videos that are talking about my opportunities, my products, my this, that, and the other, right? I'm able to then, you know, give the person who's watching the video an opportunity to partner with me. So I already attracted them, right? Through my video marketing, right? I attracted them, and now I let my marketing efforts actually do the work, okay? But these are people who already want what it is I have to offer. So for example, when I have wellness opportunities, right, I leverage the YouTube platform to be able to put in some keywords for my opportunity. And when people type in those terms, they find me, they attract themselves to me, and my content, which is my videos, does the work for me. Okay, so I want you to understand that My Lead System Pro is going to help you understand first what attraction marketing is and what it's not. Okay, so it's going to help you attract people who already want what it is that you have to offer. I don't have to convince people to want to make money online. They already typed in make money online. I don't have to convince people to lose weight. They already typed in lose weight, right? I don't have to convince people to want lead generation. They already typed in lead generation. So these are the things that My Lead System Pro can teach you, whether you're on the YouTube platform, the Facebook platform, whichever one. The principles are still the same, okay? The second thing is, let's talk about how you accomplish this, okay? So you're going to accomplish this by creating value. The videos that are simple videos that I create, they create value, right? Value for my target audience. Not what I think is value, but value for my target audience, okay? So what I see a lot of top MLM marketers, gurus, or whatever, they're teaching people to pitch. They're teaching people to drop links in the inbox. They're teaching people like message like 100 people a day. All these things, and then all that's going to cause you to do is end up in Facebook jail, one, piss off a whole lot of people who won't even buy your stuff anyway. You might get lucky here and there, right? But that's not, hope is not a strategy. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to do those things. So the My Lead System Pro system is going to teach you real marketing so you will get real results. Okay, and honestly, it's going to buck a lot of what you've been taught by your company. which in a lot of times is wrong. Okay, so you're going to learn some things like how to create content for your target audience. Now, let's back up a few steps. I find that a lot of people don't even know what their target audience is. When you understand your target audience, it makes everything that flows from you so much easier. It makes your marketing easier. It makes the conversations that you have easier. You can immediately sort out if a person is your person or they're not your person when you understand your target audience. My Lead System Pro puts a heavy emphasis on understanding who your target audience is. A lot of people jump straight into marketing, and My Lead System Pros teaches you, okay, back up a step, boo, back up a couple steps, and understand who your target audience is first. And once you understand that, then you can effectively market to that target audience because you know their pain points, you know what they want, you know what their desires are, you know what they need. Okay, so that's My Lead System Pro focuses a lot on teaching you how to understand your target audience, how to serve your target audience. Okay, how through your content. Now, content just means your posts that you put up on Facebook, your videos, your lives, things like that. That type of content. How do you serve that audience? Okay, and the one thing that My Lead System Pro teaches is when we talk about serving, it's not just giving value. I see a lot of industry, they say, give value, give value. My Lead System Pro teaches you to make sure that you are providing to your audience solutions they want. So let's talk about a real life example of giving your audience a solution. You are a marketer who you are in the weight loss niche, right? You could think your tea is the best tea in the world and detoxing is the bomb, it's the bee's knees, and it's the best tea, and it has 15 benefits and blah, blah, blah. Your audience don't care nothing about that. You know what they care about? Getting their belly out of their lap. They care about being able to put on that pair of pants and feel sexy and confident in that pair of pants. That's the solution that you're able to provide. Now, your post and your videos better be able to demonstrate that for them. Okay? That's what My Lead System Pro teaches you how to do that. It teaches you how to be able to put together not only pieces of content, but also things that generate leads, right? So how do you put together a lead magnet, right, for whatever niche you're in, right? Rather you're in make money online, rather you're in lead generation, rather you're in weight loss, rather you're whatever, right, company you're in. How do you then put together things that generate leads, lead generation tools, right, that can help you gather leads for your audience? Okay, so it's going to help you do that. Now, when you put together these great pieces of content, right, these videos that your audience cares about, so on and so forth, you're going to become an authority, right? A lot of people don't understand that until authority is built, nobody believes you. Nobody believes that you can help them lose weight. Nobody believes that you can help them make money until authority is built. You could build authority very fast with video. Take that. So I want you to understand that part, okay? Now, here's where companies, again, are teaching you wrong. They're teaching you, again, hundreds list, doing launch calls, getting everybody you know, get everybody in the call and we'll convince them, whether or not they're interested or not, right? Talking to everybody you know, getting them into hotel meetings, doing these things like that. Go live and talk about the founders and talk about the comp plan. Nobody cares about that, okay? Nobody cares about that. Nobody cares about your tea having 15 million benefits and this, that, and the other. Nobody cares. So MLSP is going to teach you how to also stand out in the marketplace. Okay, so here's the thing. In your company, there's thousands of probably tea distributors. If you're a tea company, right? There's thousands of tea distributors. How do you stand out from the crowd? How do you stand out from the pack? And when you're able to do that, someone be like, wow, I watched like so-and-so's like live on tea, or I saw whatever, but you explained it in a way that made sense to me, right? And guess what? They're going to buy and partner with you. Oh, I watched all these other distributors and all they do is say, join my team. My team's the greatest. You should be with us, right? We're the best company in the world, right? But you actually talked about how your product or service can change my life, and you gave tangible ways that how it could, right? So these are the things that you're going to learn. How do you stand out in the marketplace? How do you stand out in the sea of tea distributors? How do you stand out in the sea of affiliate markets? How do you stand out in the sea of other MLM people, right? not only for your audience, but also for people that want to join your opportunity. Not just people want to buy your product, but people want to join your opportunity side. Okay. Now, I think I talked about the content, the value. I just want to make sure I cover everything. Now, another thing that My Lead System Pro does is another way it's going to help you in your business is that it has the training that you need to grow as a better affiliate marketer, MLM network marketer, but it has a community piece. So you have the training portal, then you have the community piece. And that's so important to be around other people who are doing it and they're growing their business. That has pushed me more than ever before to be around other people who are about their business, right? Not just people talking about making money online, complaining about wanting to make money online, but people doing the actual work of making money online. That will help you level up being around other people. You know how they say, if you around 5 inspired people, 4 inspired people, you'll be the 5th. If you around 4 people making money, you'll be the 5th, right? If you around other people who just wishing and wanting, you ain't gonna go nowhere very far. Okay, so that's what it is. And then of course, as you build your business, here's another thing that My Lead System Pro how will help you grow your business. Reality is that most people in the internet space, they have auto ships, right? But wouldn't it be nice to be aligned with a program that as you learn the science of growing your business, think about all the distributors in your own companies that they're posting in your company groups. I'm failing. I don't know what to do. My sponsor left me, yada, yada, yada. You could be the solution and the plug to say, listen, girl, I'm with this training portal and it's helping me win. You could do this with me, right? And now you can make extra commissions as you grow your business. So that's another thing that it allows you to do. Now, what I want to talk about right now is some of the other principles that My Lead System Pro is based on. So it's based on the principles of BES. These are the basics of My Lead System Pro. So it's going to teach you to do 3 core things, which is to build your audience, engage your audience, and sell to your audience. Okay. So in the building phase, it's so important that every day you grow your network by 10 to 20 people, right? If you don't do this, you're not going to make sales. Okay. So it's going to teach you how do you build. My Lead System Pro is going to teach you how to build an audience of people who are already interested in your offer, not people you got to convince, not people you got to be like, oh, can you take a look at my link? Like somebody literally dropped that in my inbox today. They were like, hey, can you take a look at what the 2 people that signed up today, I never talked to them. I never met them. They watched my content that I put out there. They were attracted to my content via my search engine, right? YouTube. They watched my videos. And the only thing they ever hopped in my inbox to ask me was, how do I pay? Right? So My Lead System Pro is going to teach you how to build an audience of people who already want what it is you have to offer. You don't have to convince people to want what it is you have to offer. If you're doing that, you're doing it wrong. Second thing it's going to teach you is how to actually engage that audience via your content, right? How do you put out strategic, simple content, i.e. Facebook posts or videos like live or YouTube, right? That is giving them the answers and the solutions that address their challenges. So for example, if you are in the weight loss niche, right? How do you put out a video that like a live that says, hey, 5 tips to lose weight without killing yourself in a gym, right? Example. And then of course, they're going to be like, oh, wow, this person is of value, right? This person, they're going to be like, oh, this person is a weight loss coach, right? They could help me. Now, when you come to them, right? Because you're not always going to be just value. Now, when you go in front of your audience, you say, okay, listen, I got a tea sale. And for those of y'all who said y'all really wanted to get in shape, I got a tea sale. They're not going to wonder if you could be the person to help them lose weight. You've been demonstrating all along through your content that you can help them lose weight. They believe you. They trust in you. Now the only thing is for them to buy from you. Your content should strategically be moving people towards a buy, right? And that's what My Lead System Pro teaches. Okay. So it's going to teach you how to develop content, quick win content, right? Posts, videos, right? That gives them the answers and addresses their challenges. Okay. And then the last step is to sell. Again, we're not getting stuck in value stage. I see a lot of people just stuck in value stage. I'm so anti that. Okay. So what happens is when you follow the build, engage, sell formula, your selling becomes effortless. It doesn't feel like selling. People actually come to you and they're ready to transact business. Your content has done that job of moving people where they need to go. Okay. And not only that, one thing that I really like about the My Lead System Pro training platform and the community is they focus a lot on the money mindset. Okay. A lot of people, the word sell, it feels dirty to them. They think wrong things about the word sell. Listen, the world moves through sales, right? You are sold every time you turn on your TV. You are sold every time a friend gives you a recommendation of a restaurant. You just got sold, right? So My Lead System Pro, with their wake-up calls, they focus a lot on helping people break their own internal barriers about making money. And a lot of times, let's be honest, forget all the strategies and stuff. A lot of reasons why people can't make money online is because they can't get past themselves and the ideas that they have or the barriers that they have about making money online. Okay, so My Lead System Pro also helps with that. Okay, so that's it. Through the BES framework, right, the basics that it teaches, it's going to allow you to learn to not only attract people who already want what you have to offer, or whatever the product, service, opportunity you have, but it's also going to make sure that through the selling component that you understand how to have people already come to you with credit card in hand because you serve them through your content. That's exactly what happened to me today and yesterday. I never met these people, never talked to these people. Okay. So last thing that My Lead System Pro is going to do is it's going to give you the tools. So you heard all this, like, okay, listen, if you are an absolute beginner and you're like, I don't want to have to sit there and put together lead generation campaigns or lead generation funnels. How can My Lead System Pro help me? First of all, it's going to give you the tools that you need, the done-for-you solutions to be able to grow your business right out the box. You literally log into the system. It has done-for-you lead generation campaigns. It has done-for-you training. It has support. I mean, really, it has everything that you need to grow as an affiliate marketer, as a network marketer. And I want to be clear that the platform, while you can earn commissions off of it, it's not a money-making opportunity. It's a training platform that has the opportunity to also earn commissions as you grow your own business. Let's be clear. Okay, so that's what it is. And that's it. Everything about the My Lead System Pro is going to teach you, platform is going to teach you how to market more effectively, right? And how to get more people to move towards your product, services, and opportunity with flow without having to convince people. Right? And that's really what it's about. All right. So if you're like, yeah, I like what I heard, I would love to do the My Lead System Pro system to grow my business, the training platform. But in this video, there'll be more information about the My Lead System Pro platform and how you can get started with it. My information is below. Feel free to text me or message me on Facebook. And I look forward to you growing your business with ease, right? With automation as well. In 2020. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button. Bye, guys.